I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. We're going to be doing a spinach dip, and that spinach dip is great for absolutely anything. For any party that you want, it just really is quite tasty.
And it's so easy, it's just a couple ingredients. I'm going to get started with this little sourdough ball that we just made. I'm going to take out all the insides and so that we get this bowl ready for the mix, and then you're going to get started putting it together.
Yep. So we have a cup of pretty much all the ingredients that we're going to put in here. So a cup of sour cream. Now, you can actually make your own sour cream as well with our Thrive sour cream. It's quite nice. Then there is a cup of mayo. Then we have this Knorr vegetable soup mix, and this is what we add to it to make it really quite tasty as well. And then of course our spinach, Thrive Spinach. And this Thrive Spinach is about a cup, but I'm just gonna toss it in like that and we will mix it all up. See how super easy that was? And we're gonna have all of this, all the vegetables in here, and all the spinach will all be refreshing.
You do want to let this sit for a couple hours to just meld all the flavors in the fridge.
And like I said, this can be used, you know, for parties. You can put it in the fridge and keep it for a little bit later as well. Like, you just don't have to use it all up right away.
It's so good that you want to use it up right away.
I know, it is pretty good. So once you've chilled it, then you're able to place it inside your little sourdough bowl.
Okay, now that we have let it refresh, all of the spinach and the vegetables from the mix is together, we are just going to plate it up. And it just looks so cute in this bowl. But
It's a mini bowl.
It is a mini bowl, I love it.
Yeah, it's delicious.
It's only for me.
Well, I was hoping to have a bowl. I do like spinach
share
dip.
with you. There we go. And, oh, we didn't garnish it all pretty. That's your job.
It actually looks really nice.
So,
well, we got messed up. And okay, ready?
yeah.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we post a new video.
And give us a thumbs up if you like it.
So remember, you can do this too.